Huh? This must be for us. Seashells. I'll open this one. Huh? Wow! Oh, how exciting! I love surprises. And I love it even more when it's makeup. Oh, let's try it. I'll secure the mask at the back. Then give my face a much-needed massage. You'll never know how tense your face is until you try it. It's so relaxing. All that work is exhausting.
Classic Barbie. What's in the world? It's just a boring old sponge. Might as well use it. Oh, my makeup is totally gone. I sure hope there is makeup in this kit. Bingo! Any good makeup routine starts with the eyes. I'll dip my brush into some violet eyeshadow. We want it all over the eyelid. Then I'll take some glitter and blend it with my finger. Now I want to keep it simple for the blush and the lips. A simple nude color would do, but with a touch of sparkle. Who needs highlighter when you have glitter? Watch out, Ariel! There is a new mermaid princess in town. She's still sleeping. Hey!
Thanks for waking me up. This should be done. Voila! My makeup is ready. I could get used to this. Maybe my lips could be a tiny bit redder. Nothing a red lipstick can't fix. Now, scales are a must in mermaid land. So let's grow some, shall we? Eating one tiny scale will do the trick. It worked.
Wow! Do you have some more?
Of course. I'll give you a purple one.
Down the hatch! It worked like magic! Barbie, look!
Oh, you look stunning! Let's open the next shell. What do you have for me? Huh? A key? What does it open? Try opening yours.
Maybe it's a treasure chest? Oh, it's just seawater. Oh, there it is. Come to mommy. Ouch! Oh.
Bye-bye, ladies!
That really hurt.
Don't worry, I'll do it. I hope I don't fish any crabs. Shall we open it? I hope it's a good loot. Shiver me timbers! We struck gold! Oh, poor thing. This will make you feel better.
It sure did. Thank you.
You are welcome. Now it's my turn to accessorize. Nice!
Oh, wow!
There must be more in these islands.
Look, there is a map.
There must be treasure hiding in these spots. It should be right around here. Jackpot! And it fits perfectly. Let's go to the next one. What's hiding under the rock? It's a necklace. Oh, it is so beautiful. Just look at these rocks and pearls. I look like mermaid royalty, don't I? But I'm not done. There's more treasure to be found. Just like this ring. Oh, perfect.
Well, aren't you lucky? Map says there is something here. Surely they don't mean this coconut. Wow, I bet there is treasure inside. It's too hard. Stubborn little thing. Come on! Watch out! Oops, sorry.
That hurt and did nothing.
I know how to crack it open. This coconut is no match for this high heel.
Whoa!
Let's see what we have here. This necklace is so me. How do I look?
Oh, like a queen.
Oh, hey, little guy.
Look at this face. Oh, look, we got gills. They are so slay.
I love it.
Dolls, it's time to… Where did they go? This is unacceptable. That scheming lobster is behind this. They dare defy me? I know where they went. I'll come at them stronger than a tsunami. It's all coming together. Yay! Now, what's next? Say
Oh,
what is it?
wow.
Huh? It's a closet full of clothes. Cute, but it's dirty. I can't wear this. Unless you're going in the washer. I'll wash it in some glitter, so it comes out sparkling. Now let's wait for it to do its magic. It's done. One glittery top coming right up. Wow, it's so cute. Let me try it on. Don't look.
Oops. Wow.
Fits like a glove. Perfect.
Cool. I want one of those. Wow. Is that a sewing machine? Let's get to work. First, I'll cut the clothes right down the middle. Then get rid of the excess. Now let's take this bad boy for a spin, shall we? I'll use the machine to combine the clothes together. We want them on top of each other. Next, take a glue stick and go to town on it. Then sprinkle glitter all over it. The sparkler, the better. And we're done. How about a try-on? Wow, check me out!
Oh, lovely! We've got a few more shells to go. Oh, that never gets old. Huh? Must be a puzzle of some sort. Aha! They are scales! I'll stick them on top of each other until they make a tail. Check this out! I'm ready to catch some waves.
Wow, I have to make my own tail too. I'll lay this on top of the drawing. It needs to be completely covered. We don't want a toe left behind. Wow! Mission accomplished! And we both look amazing!
We're mermaids! We are gonna turn heads underwater. Uh-huh.
Period!
Wow! Are you okay? Let's do the next shell.
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
It's a crown!
Did I just become a princess?
We sure did!
Oh!
Twinsies! Let's open the last one, shall we?
Whoa! What is that?
Black pearl! What does it mean? Huh?
Weird. Found you at last.
Evil mermaid!
I sure am.
Well, take this!
Ha! Is that your best shot? You need practice.
We gotta go.
You ready?
Swim!
Off to shore, huh? What the? What is happening to me? No!
You messed with the wrong fish.
Hey, put me down!
I know how to deal with naughty kids like you. Welcome to the abyss.
No!
Huh? My baby! I gotta go help him. What shall I do? Huh? A beauty box? Wow! This box holds all the secrets to that portal. Let's see what we've got. I'm gonna need a mermaid look if I want to get in. Let's start with the good stuff. Makeup! I'm gonna use these stockings to make a scaly look. First, I'll take some blue eyeshadow and brush it lightly on the stocking. See how that glimmers? How did we do? My lips are looking a little pale. We can't have that. Wow! Wait, I'm getting distracted. Focus, Barbie! I'll start with some glitter. A little sparkle never hurt anyone, especially if it's lip gloss. Wow. Hey, little fishy. Mind if I borrow you? I just need to work on my eye real quick. All done. Oh, I almost forgot. Pearls. Now I'll be the real princess of the sea. Ooh, wow. It's like magic. All right, I've got the makeup trifecta down. Okay, portal, let me in.
Who dares interrupt my slumber?
It's me, a mermaid.
Not quite.
Oh no! But you've got the makeup down.
I won't give up. There's gotta be something I could do with my hair. Yes?
You could try cutting it?
Huh, fine. Do we really have to? I thought mermaids have long hair.
That's enough. It was so pretty.
Give me that.
She's lost it.
Oh, what a waste. I'll pull this off one way or another. Oh, a unicorn! I'll need magical hair for this look. It sure is stinky, but I have no choice. I'll have magical hair one way or another. It's perfect, but first, let's braid it! Now that's mermaid hair. Oh, that's genius! Sparkle is always a good idea. I'll use this gadget to punch gems into my hair. What do you think? Now I totally feel like a mermaid. Game face on.
Go, Barbie!
Okay, I'm ready.
It's not enough.
Almost there, Barbie. Now you need to work on a crown.
A crown, huh? That should be easy.
Get in there, kid! And stay there.
Try again, loser.
Why, you little? I want to see you try escape that. What the? What are you doing?
I want to play.
Get back in your cell.
No way.
Enough! Oh dear, I've made him cry. Don't worry, kid. I'll give you a tasty snack.
What's this? Oh, I don't want it.
Are you serious? Time to bring out the big guns. The ultimate candy. Here you go.
Wow.
How does one make a crown? Aha! I know what to do. This headband will be the base of the crown. Then I'll take a bunch of ties and line them all up like so. Perfect. They're looking a little lifeless, so let's paint them a nice shade of blue. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're making a gradient. Now take some shells and glue them all over the crown. And best believe this mermaid is bejeweled. Truly a crown fit for a princess. Lovely, isn't it? Time for a try-on.
Barbie, #1! You're a star.
That's my cue to go.
What's her deal?
Hey, Portal, I got a crown.
Something's missing.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, that crown is so beautiful. Let me try it. I'm the king of the seas.
What am I gonna do? This mermaid thing is tough.
Hey, changing will make you happy.
I guess. These clothes aren't my style.
Nice, huh?
Go away!
Careful! Hey, look!
Ooh, it's pretty. I could make this work.
Oh no, my cosmetics!
Perfect! Hey!
Give it back!
I will, later. I got a makeover to do. Achoo! Oh, would you look at that? Done! Oh, don't be so dramatic.
Hey, I'm right here!
You can keep it. Magical portal, will you let me in?
That is certainly mermaid core. But you need one last thing.
Are you kidding me? Whatever! I'll just have to DIY my way through it. Good thing I fit in this garbage bag. Now, I'll tape it on me so it stays in place. I wouldn't want it swimming away from me. Can!
Yes, Barbie!
Now, for the finishing touches. The fins! Oh, Portal. How'd you like me now?
No! This tale is unbecoming of a mermaid.
Oh, no. This is unbelievable. I did everything. Ken!
What do you need?
I need a tail. Ken, you need to help me. It's no use.
Geez, stop! Okay, I'll help. Wow, this is nice. Finally, some peace and quiet. And a perfect day for fishing. Oh, a catch!
What?
Come with me.
What is this place?
I got you a mermaid.
Whatever for.
I'll show you.
Hey!
Try it on.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I'm out of here. Hey, Ken, check this out.
Wow, one more thing. Every queen needs her crown.
Wow, I totally feel like royalty. Let's go.
Yeah, go Barbie.
I'm back.
Perfect, a real mermaid.
I know, right? Let me do the honors. I'm a mermaid.
Wow!
Where is my baby?
Mom, you made it.
That's your kid? You're gonna have to fight for him.
Oh, you're on.
Oh yeah, go, Mommy.
Gotcha. Now let's see who's behind that mask.
Hey, Barbie.
Ken?
Ken? Surprise!